FlowSense presents a robust solution tailored for manufacturing excellence. Our industry-specific ERP integrates seamlessly across sectors like steel, process, healthcare, automotive, and aerospace. Experience how AI-driven technology can enhance your operational efficiency. This is your command center for managing sales, production, inventory, and dispatch. With easy access to various roles such as sales manager, distributor, and production supervisor, you can streamline workflows efficiently. Choose your role to dive into the functionalities designed for your responsibilities. Welcome to your executive dashboard, where real-time insights on orders, production, and accounts are at your fingertips. Here, you can monitor key metrics including stock availability and sales performance. Engage with your data to make informed decisions swiftly. Explore the Customer Master section to manage all your client information effortlessly. This interface allows you to view, add, or update customer details while filtering by various criteria. Streamlining customer data is essential for effective sales management. In the Sales Officer dashboard, you can track your team's performance against monthly targets. This visual representation helps in identifying strengths and areas for improvement. Use this tool to motivate your team and drive sales growth effectively. The Daily Sales Report feature is crucial for field sales representatives to log their daily activities, easily input customer interactions and updates, ensuring that your team remains aligned and informed. This functionality enhances accountability and communication. Manage your lead pipeline efficiently with this overview of your prospects. From new leads to negotiation stages, track each opportunity with ease. Prioritize your efforts to ensure that no potential sale is missed. Dive into sales analytics for a comprehensive overview of your market performance. Analyze revenue, achievements, and growth trends over time. This data-driven approach enables you to strategize effectively for future growth. As a distributor, this dashboard provides essential quick actions for order management. Check your sales, pending orders, and outstanding balances at a glance. This organized view helps you maintain a clear overview of your operations. The Orders inbox centralizes all orders from various channels in one place. Easily manage and track the status of every order, ensuring that you stay on top of your commitments. Efficiency in order management is key to customer satisfaction. Manage your supply chain effectively with the Requirements section. Here, you can keep tabs on dealer inquiries and their statuses. This organized approach helps you anticipate needs and maintain smooth operations. Stay updated with the latest supply information in the Distributor Supply and Sales section. This feature allows you to track supply updates and ensure timely deliveries. Proactive supply management is vital for maintaining operational flow. The Production Control Center provides a detailed view of pending orders and stock availability. Monitor production schedules and ensure that resources are aligned with demand. This oversight is essential for maintaining efficiency in manufacturing. The Raw Material section allows you to track the essential inputs for production. Keep an eye on inventory levels and reordering times to avoid disruptions. Effective material management is critical to sustaining production workflows. Monitor your packing materials effectively for streamlined operations. This section provides insights into current stock levels and alerts for reordering. Ensuring you have adequate packing materials can prevent delays in order fulfillment. The Console Dispatch. Kanban organizes your dispatch tasks efficiently. View pending, ready, loading, and dispatched orders in one glance. This streamlined approach ensures you can manage logistics effectively. Utilize the barcode scan feature to manage stock movements seamlessly. Quickly scan items for efficient inventory management and ensure accuracy in your records. This functionality enhances operational efficiency. The Marketplace feature consolidates orders from various platforms into one interface. Manage your sales across Amazon and Flipkart effectively, ensuring you maintain a unified approach. This centralization simplifies your order management. Schedule a personalized demo with FlowSense to see how our ERP can transform your business. Fill in your details, and our team of experts will help you explore the tailored solutions for your specific needs. Take the first step toward optimizing your operations today.